So many people overthink this question, but it's actually so easy to solve. The sum of three consecutive integers is 30. What is the greatest integer? Now, before we solve anything, let's talk about what consecutive integers actually mean. So an integer is just a whole number. There's no decimals, no fractions, just something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Consecutive just means in a row. So consecutive integers are numbers like 4, 5, 6, or 10, 11, 12. So that means that each one is exactly one more than the last. So all this question is basically saying is to find three numbers in a row that add up to 30, and that's literally it. There are two methods that you can use to solve this, and one method is quicker than the other. We could start with guess and check. So we're finding three numbers in a row, so they're all basically close together. And we know that 30 divided by 3 is 10, so we could start around there. So we're going to try 9, 10, and 11. And we know that 9 plus 10 is equal to 19, and 19 plus 11 is equal to 30, so we know the greatest integer is 11. So we know that the answer is C. But there is a quicker way of doing this without guess and check. So we're going to call the first number x. That's the first number, and each number is one more than the last, so we're adding 1 each time. So the next one will be x plus 1, and the third number will be x plus 2. And we know that the sum of all of these numbers equal to 30, so we add all of these up and set it equal to 30 because that's the sum of all the numbers. We add all like variables, so we add x plus x plus x, that's 3x, and 1 plus 2, which is 3. That's equal to 30. And we basically solve for x, so we subtract 3 on both sides. We get 3x is equal to 27, and divide 3 on both sides. And we get x is equal to 9. But hold up, that's not the answer, because remember, we're trying to find the greatest integer. So we know that the greatest integer is x plus 2, because it's 2 more than x. So we just know that this is the greatest. And plug in x here. So 9 plus 2, that's equal to 11. And we also get answer choice C here.